Hello everyone. In this video, we have solved a nice German Maths Olympiad question. This question is 4 to the power 4 times 4 to the power 4 is equal to 80. We will find out what is the value of a in this Maths Olympiad question. Let's start our solution. First of all, I take our question. It will be 4 to the power a times 4 to the power a is equal to 80. This is our question. Now we know that the exponential law a to the power n times a to the power m, it will be a to the power n plus m. According to this law, I can say this expression, it will be 4 to the power a plus a is equal to 80. Then I can say here is 4 to the power a plus a, it will be 2a is equal to 80. Now at this moment I use both side natural log, so I can say easily if I use both side log, it will be log 4 to the power 2a is equal to log 80. Now at this moment I can say this expression move on in front according to logarithm rules, so it will be 2a log 4 is equal to log 80. Now in this expression I divide both sides log 4, so I can say that it will be 2a log 4 divide log 4 is equal to log 80 divide log 4. I divide both sides by log 4. Now at this moment I can say this natural log 4, this cancel. We are find out here is 2a is equal to log 80 divide log 4. Now in this expression I can say that here is 80, it will be 16 times 5, so I can say it will be log 16 times 5 over log 4. Now here I can say this expression, it will be 2a is equal to, we know that log a times b, it will be log a plus log v. According to this law, I can say this formula, it will be log 16 plus log 5 over this log 4. Now I can say this expression, here is 2a is equal to log 16 divide this log 4 plus this log 5 divide this log 4. I divide both below by log 4. Now at this moment I can say here 2a is equal to log 16. I can say log 16, it will be log 4 to the power 2 over log 4 and plus, and here log 5 over log 4. Now I can say this exponent move on in front, so it will be 2a is equal to 2 log 4 over log 4 plus log 5 over log 4. Now I can say here is natural log 4, this log 4 is cancel out, so if I cancel out this below, we will find out here is 2a is equal to 2 times 1, it will be 2 plus log 5 over log 4. Now in this expression I can say here is 2a, it will be 2a, it will be 2 plus log 5 base 4. Now if I divide both below by 2, we'll find out a is equal to 1, it will be 1, 2 divide 2, it will be 1, and here is 1 over 2, this 2, it will be log 5 base 4. This is our final answer in this exponential expression. Now here is 4 to the power a times 4 to the power a is equal to 80. Let's verify our question, left hand side and right hand side. Then at this moment I can say 4 to the power a, it will be 4 to the power 2a is equal to 80. Now I can say that here is 4 to the power 2 times, we will find out a is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 4, so I take this value here, 1 over 2 log 5 base 4 is equal to 80. Now I can consider this expression 2 to the power 2 times 1. Sorry, here is 4. 4 to the power 2 times 1, it will be 4 to the power 2, and it will be 4 to the power, this time this, I mean 2 to cancel, we are finding out log 5 base 4 is equal to 80. Now I can say here is 4 to the power, it will be 16, and 4 to the power log 5 base 4, it will be 5 is equal to 80. So I can say here is 80 is equal to 80. So left hand side and right hand side is equal. So our final answer is A is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 4. This is our final answer in this exponential expansion. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.